Welcome back, folks. On today's episode of Better Policing, these cops get asked to leave private property. And I do want to say that these cops didn't really do a bad job. But if there's one thing that I want to point out, is the fact that people know they can use police to mess with other people. All they got to do is dial the number. And cops will always propagate that if you see something, say something. What they should have said was, if you see something being done illegal where a victim is being created, then maybe pick up your phone and call. But don't just call the police and use them to harass somebody else. And I think that is important, and police need to understand that before they get out to the calls. Check this out.
Just confirm with the sheriff's department, I have permission to be on this property. Now there's 5, 6 cops here. One drew his gun on me. I've committed no crime. They're harassing a homeless person who works hard. And that's not right. And now they're trying to come up with something to get me on, which is not right. You know you're making headlines on YouTube, right? You've confirmed I have permission to be here. You've broken my Fourth Amendment illegal search and seizure. Please leave. I need your cards. I need your cards left here. I need your cards and badge numbers left here, please. I don't give a shit about your summons. It's not going to hold up. Go away. Go away. I don't give a shit about someone. I'll rip it up.
That's fine. Okay. If you don't go.
Because after this won't hold up in court. None of this will. You're fucking assholes treating me like shit. You're harassing me. You're trespassing. I've asked you to leave.
Okay. This has nothing to do with your permission to be on this property.
I don't give a shit what it's about. What's it about?
Okay.
What's
this
it
has
about?
everything to do with you trespassing on the Loaf and Jug property and harassing.
I did not harass her. Go look. Go talk to this. Go talk to the staff. No, stop. Go look. Talk to the staff at this hotel. The maintenance guy.
That has nothing to do with the hotel.
Yes, it does, because he knows she's fucking loony. You go talk to them.
How do you know it's a she?
Because I tried to buy a lottery ticket in there. She came on here and harassed me the other day, shouting something about harassing her. I don't even know her.
I just thought of something funny, folks. A lot of times people call the police to help fix their problems. It seems to me like Jerry Springer can help fix more problems than these cops. What do you guys think?
I've been left alone.
You were told that you're not allowed to go over there.
Fine. I didn't know that.
Yes,
but you know
were
what?
Told on a prior day you were.
No, I was not. I haven't been over there.
Okay.
I have not been over there.
When he's done with his summons and his
You can fuck the summons up your ass.
Okay.
You're going to make headlines on YouTube. And you're going to go to jail and lose your damn jobs. Yeah, arrogant little pigs, aren't you? You think you're smarter than everybody. Fuck off. You're trespassing. In Texas, you would have been shot by now. You know that, right?
Are we in Texas?
You're trespassing. You threatened me. Fuck off.
We're not in Texas.
I don't give a flying fuck, dude.
Okay.
So fuck off. Go away. Yeah, you're so smart, smug. You little shitheads. Go away. You little toy guns. What, 40 caliber? Can't handle a 45? Go away. And you know what? I used to know Bill Nelson. You're undersheriff.
Why do cops always show up to calls with a bad attitude, assuming that you're guilty? And they always act like they don't have time to be there. They don't have time to listen to you. They don't have time to de-escalate. Why are they bothered when people don't just comply? Isn't it in every single police department policy that cops are supposed to be professional at all times and be courteous as well? That is not what we're seeing, folks. We're seeing cops with bad attitudes. They have egos. They're impatient. They are extremely rude. And they are extremely violent. This is not the policing that 100% of America expected when they were promised that they would be protected and served. Not one video on the internet you will find where a cop is sworn in where they actually know the First Amendment of the Constitution. They don't know it. I challenge every single one of you watching right now to find me a video and send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com where a cop is being sworn in and he actually knows the oath. I've already asked for you guys to do this before in the past, and I've yet to receive an email. I will keep challenging until we find that cop, and we will make him famous. And I also want to throw out there that I don't believe that we should be paying for this training. The people that are applying to become cops should already know it, at least the First Amendment of the Constitution, because the First Amendment of the Constitution mirrors your natural born rights. These documents don't give us our rights. The Constitution, the Bill of Rights, the First Amendment, these documents were written to limit the scope of authority that public officials have over we the people. From my understanding, many departments are having troubles finding people that want to become cops. They're offering sign-on bonuses. Cops are demanding ID. People don't want to become cops anymore because there is no heroism left in it.
Just make
the people
it easier.
hate you. They
Just
despise
comply.
you.
Just
they
do
don't
what you're
trust
told.
you.
We'll let you go on your way.
If you comply and do as you're told, you make it harder for the next person. When you stand up for your rights, you stand up for everybody's rights. But you cannot do it unless you know what your rights are. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you might want to do that now because we will teach you here. And folks, once you know your rights, your life is going to change for the better. It is an empowerment. If you don't know your rights, you really shouldn't be calling yourself a free people. With that being said, make sure you guys go subscribe to this guy's channel. I'm going to drop the original link in the description and in the pinned comment. All right, thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. We will see you guys on the next video. Peace.